Hey guys, Chris with Fort Park Property Management and Real Estate here. What I want to talk to you about today is San Francisco and Vancouver. Now, is there some similarities between the real estate markets? Can Vancouver ever become what San Francisco is? And for those of you who don't know, San Francisco's real estate market is crazy. Vacancy rates are extremely low, prices are out of the stratosphere, and Vancouver can maybe only one day hope to achieve those kind of returns if you're an investor. It depends on your point of view, of course, but this is specifically talking to investors. So, do we think that Vancouver has the potential to become the next San Francisco? Well, there's some similarities, and one of the similarities is the geographic constraints. So, here in Vancouver, we're constrained by mountains and water, and it is essentially an island. There's not a lot of land available still. Same thing in San Francisco. You're very, very constrained. Therefore, the supply is somewhat limited. And the demand is a little bit different. There's huge demand here in Vancouver, driven mostly by immigration. And in San Francisco, there is a huge demand, and this is driven by the tech sector and all of the really, really, really high paying jobs that are available there. And that's not just San Francisco, that runs all the way down into the Silicon Valley. But tons of huge companies are there, from Netflix to Facebook to Airbnb, and of course all the financial services companies that surround them and pay a lot of money. So the average income in San Francisco, annual disposable income per family, is over 110,000 US. In Vancouver, it's about half that. It's about 55,000 US. So huge difference there. Which means that there is simply not those high wages driving up prices here in Vancouver. But we still have the immigration side, so there's still lots of demand. Now, the supply is where it's a little bit different. In Vancouver, we've got development going on everywhere. You can't look around, you can't drive down a block without seeing a crane going up. Most city councils are very pro-development. San Francisco, different story. Very, very anti-development there, except in the downtown core. But we were just there. We didn't see any cranes the whole time. Residential neighborhoods are typically limited to about 4 stories, which would be similar to Kitsilano. So therefore, without development and this crazy demand of high-paying jobs, just pushes the prices up, pushes the vacancies down, pushes the rents way up, and the prices up. We don't see that in Vancouver, and I don't see that happening anytime soon here, because we are all about development here. A lot of our sector is all based around that, a lot of our economy based around construction, so I just don't see it. Check out the blog below to read a little bit more and find out some more details.